Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiana Michelle, if you didn't already know. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos. I hope that everyone had a great New Year's and is ready to bring in 2020. I'm coming through with a tutorial for you all. This hairstyle is an old one that I did back on my Instagram page over a year ago. So if you weren't following me back then you probably aren't familiar with this style, which is good because it's something new for you. Let's go ahead and get started with this video. You're gonna need a parting comb, something to detangle your hair with, like a comb or brush, butterfly clips or any clips to just clip your hair out of the way. And you're also going to need some bobby pins. As I've already parted my hair the way that I want it to be, you're gonna need a small squarish off shape something at the top of your head. I had a side part before, so what I did, I just reparted my hair. This is about as much hair as you'll need for this style. I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair. So I'm gonna try to part it down the middle. Okay, once your hair is parted, I'm just gonna split it off into two sections. So I'm gonna start off on this side of my head first, and I'm just gonna clip this out of the way for now. And you'll need a spray bottle as well. So I forgot my spray bottle, so I'm gonna go grab that real quick. Just gonna dampen my hair because it'll make it a little bit easier to braid and detangle. So just spritzing it with water. As I will be braiding my hair for this style, you can do flat twist as an alternative. I just want to make sure my hair is nicely detangled. You might also need like a toothbrush as well. I'm gonna go grab that real quick. I'm forgetting everything. I'll be right back. Again, I'll be right back. So now I'm gonna take my edge brush and just smooth it out a little bit more. Before I start braiding, let's go ahead and pick out my first section of hair. I'm not using any extra product because I'm just using the excess product that I used from when I did my wash and go earlier in the week. It's leave-in and gel in here that I just reactivated when I wet my hair. There's no need to add any extra product. But if you're starting this style off on bare hair, like you haven't added any product in yet, you can just use gel, like a light custard or a twisting butter, and that should do the trick in holding down moisture and taming any frizz. I finished one braid. Now I'm gonna take this section down and go on to the next side. I'll clip this out the way. Now that we are done braiding, it's time to start the pinning process. So what's gonna happen is I'm going to pin my hair into the shape of a pretzel. It's so funny how I even came up with this hairstyle. It was from a hair fail. I had saw some tutorial or some style. I don't know if I had saw it on TV or what, but there was some hairstyle that I really liked and I tried to do it, but I failed miserably and I came out with this. And I call it a pretzel braid. It's gonna go somehow like that. That's what it's gonna look like after I pin it. Go underneath the braid and try to pin it going downwards into my hair, into my curls. so that it can kind of hide. Yeah, and then I just pick my curls up over it to hide the pin. That way it's not really noticeable. And then I'll go ahead and pin this side the same way. Same pattern, y'all. Just pinning it down. Okay, so next, I tuck that hair under here. And I take another bobby pin and I'm just gonna pin it underneath the braid, underneath this part here. I'm going to add one of these little gold pieces. I'm just gonna put one here. As you can see, wash and goes are my style, okay? My hair flourishes in wash and goes. That is it for this video. I think this hairstyle is so cute and it's simple and it's like a pow factor, because if you look at me, it looks like a simple hairstyle from the side, from the back, from the front. It looks simple, right? Even from up here, half up, half down, or you'd even say it's the middle part, right? Then bam, there it is, a pretzel braid. So let me know what other videos you all would like to watch. I want to make videos that y'all are actually interested in seeing, and YouTube growth, I'm manifesting it. That is my goal for this year. I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.